Hey guys, we're back again with another video, and today we're going to be focusing on weight loss measures. If you want to lose some weight and are actively making some lifestyle changes towards that goal, some beverages can supplement your diet and also help you on your journey to get rid of belly fat. Today we're talking about some of them, and you only need to take a tablespoon daily to help lose belly fat. Guaranteed. Let's get on with the video. Number 1. Water. One of the best and simplest ways to improve not just your eating habits, but your overall health is to increase your water intake. Drinking more water ensures you stay full between each meal and also increases the number of calories your body burns by increasing the resting energy expenditure of your body, which is the number of calories your body burns while you rest. Drinking water between each meal and before is a good way to set yourself up if you hope to cut back on calories and lose belly fat. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar and its derived drinks contain acetic acid, a compound that decreases your body's insulin levels, suppressing your appetite and burning belly fat. It also slows down your stomach's emptying process, ensuring you stay fuller for longer and reducing your urge to overeat. As said, apple cider vinegar is an acidic beverage and it is known to erode teeth. If you want to take it in, it's recommended you use a straw and always rinse with water after drinking. Number 3. Green tea. Green tea is often associated with good health, and it's a no-brainer. The nutrients it's packed with and other constituents like antioxidants, all of which make it an effective drink to get rid of belly fat. Green tea contains a high amount of catechin, which is a type of antioxidant that promotes fat burning and increases the metabolic rate of your body. It also contains caffeine, which encourages fat burning by boosting your energy levels and improving your performance while exercising. Matcha, a type of green tea, contains more concentration of catechins than loose green tea, making it a good green tea choice to get rid of belly fat. Number 4. Black tea. Black tea is a form of tea that's been given more exposure to air than other types of tea, and that gives it a stronger and darker color. Like green tea, black tea also contains compounds that stimulate fat-burning processes. Black tea contains a high concentration of polyphenol, including a group of compounds called flavonoids. Polyphenols are strong antioxidants that promote fat reduction by reducing your calorie intake, boosting the growth of gut-friendly bacteria, and stimulating fat breakdown. Number 5. High-protein drinks. High-protein beverages can reduce hunger, decrease your appetite, and promote the feeling of fullness, all of which is really important to help reduce belly fat. The protein gotten from these beverages increases the levels of hunger-reducing hormones like GLP-1 and decreases ghrelin, a hormone that boosts your appetite. There are a number of protein powders available that you can purchase to make prepping a healthy snack a breeze. Pea, whey, and hemp proteins are some options you should consider adding to your shakes or smoothies to give them a satisfying protein boost and to also help you burn belly fat. Number 6. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is made from ginger, a root commonly used as a spice to give flavor to dishes and as a herbal remedy to treat certain conditions like cold, arthritis, and nausea, but it's also got some beneficial properties to help you burn fat. Ginger tea also reduces your appetite and increases calorie burning by increasing the thermic effects of the food you ingest. This also increases the number of calories your body's got to burn to digest and absorb the food you take in, making it an effective way to burn fat. Number 7. Vegetable juice. Vegetable juice intake ensures increased vegetable consumption and reduced carb intake, both of which are going to help you lose weight. Though the consumption of whole vegetables is the best choice due to the high amount of fiber lost when juicing them, consumption of a low-calorie vegetable juice can also help you get rid of fat. These beverages are guaranteed to help get rid of belly fat, and if you take a few cups or tablespoons daily, you should try them out for yourself and see what you find out. Thanks for watching, leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe for more fitness tips. Leave a comment down below and let us know your thoughts.